What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. On this video we'll be fixing the MAXX truck as I have broken the rear stub axle carrier. It's sheared clean off, I think there. So I've bought the new parts, 8952 from Traxxas. Let's get it fixed. Let's begin then, YouTube. As you can see, I've taken the rear wheel off and you can see where it's cracked. That looks clean off there. This is what it should look like. So all I've got to remove is top screw, bottom screw, take the hex off, remove the two bearings, push the axle back in and simply straight swap. Here we go. And just like that, through the power of time lapse, we are done. As you can see, broke that section off at the top. Should be on there. Absolutely destroyed it. So now this, just go in the bin. Let's get that rear wheel back on, and it's done. Hex is on, pins in place, spacers on my wheel. Simply slide that over the hex. There we go. Stick the wheel nut on. Tighten the wheel. Just so it bites. There's the bite, and then just a touch more. And there we have it. One new axle stub carrier on the rear. All fixed. What I do want to mention is the 8952 from Traxxas does come in a pair of two. So should this side break, I have one. So this is now going in my spares box. And there we have it. MAXX truck back to hit the trails yet again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.